My name is Mason Hardy. I'm in auto collision technology.
I'm David Vinard. I'm the auto collision instructor at Canadian Valley Technology Center in El Reno.
I chose this program because I've always had a little bit of creativity to me, not a whole lot, but I know a little bit from the auto service side, but I wanted to see what it takes to really just make a car look nice and how much detail really goes into it. I attended college for a year, and so my favorite part about coming to CVTECH in this program is all of the hands-on that I get to do. I'm a much better hands-on learner, and everything is step-by-step on teaching and learning hands-on. It transitions both ways.
The largest portion of this program will be refinishing and will be non-structural bodywork.
So far I've learned the bodywork side of it. I've learned how to repair and take out dents, how to bondo them, how to completely replace whole panels on cars, all the way down to priming, painting, and finishing. Also, I'm about to start learning welding and plastic welding to get the full experience on how to completely fix up a car.
Typical work week for those students that graduate and decide to go into the auto collision industry is about 40 to 50 hours a week. You gotta be willing to work. Nothing's given to you for free in life, and especially not this industry. When it's hot, it's sweaty, it's dirty, but the day in the life we start out, we do a run through of what's going to be learned that afternoon or that morning. We get into the shop and we get our hands dirty. We do have bookwork in this program, and it's very essential to your education, but the hands-on aspect of this program is where we can make good technicians coming out of Canadian Valley Technology Center.
It's prepared me really well, from competing in Skills USA to Mr. Vinard teaching us. He teaches you a really good work ethic and just a great attitude to have as long as the skills that you need for the industry.
To be successful, and we talk about success every week. I try to explain to them that success isn't always monetary gain. Success is loving what you do, and that is my goal. If my students can graduate this program and work in this industry and love what they do and get a paycheck for loving what they do, then I think I'm successful.